Must-have PowerApps for productivity boost. PowerApps can transform the way you work and boost your productivity. Introducing PowerApps, the tool that helps you build custom apps without needing to be a developer. Whether you're managing data, automating tasks, or streamlining workflows, PowerApps is the solution you've been waiting for. With PowerApps, creating custom apps is simple and fast. You can connect your apps to data from over 200 sources, including Excel, SharePoint, and cloud services like Microsoft 365 and Salesforce, all in one place. Design apps with intuitive drag, dash, and drop tools. No coding required. Whether you're building a simple form, a complex data dashboard, or a task management app, PowerApps makes it easy. Microsoft To Do. Stay organized and manage your tasks effectively with this intuitive task management tool. Power Automate. Automate repetitive tasks and workflows to save time and increase efficiency. Planner. Visualize your team's projects and tasks, making collaboration smoother and more effective. OneNote. Capture, organize, and share notes seamlessly in one digital notebook. SharePoint. Create a centralized hub for documents and team collaboration with this powerful platform. Incorporate these apps to elevate your productivity. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.appsbaba.cloud.